Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today you will see how to make amazing set that consists of two elements. Both of them will be created with seed beads. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams, and seed beads. Let's get started. Let's crochet the motif. To start the work by making a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet round 1. It consists of only 2 rounds. Let's crochet round 1. Make a chain of 2. 1, 2. It is going to be a round of seed beads with half double crochet. Make 12 half double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring. Make half double crochet with seed bead 1. Yarn over the hook with seed bead and make half double crochet into the ring. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And so on till you will get 12 half double crochet into the ring. Let's complete this round together. I've done 12 double crochet. I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, pull a little bit. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of petals. It's gonna be very simple round as well. I remind you, the flower consists of only 2 rounds. Make a chain, pull a little bit, make single crochet into the first half double crochet of the previous round. Draw seed beads. Make 7 chains with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Like this. I have done 7 chains with seed bead. Here how my chain looks like. I put my chain like this and turn the work to the back side. Make a chain. I remove seed beads. Yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. I insert the hook into 2 loops. pull up a loop, make half double crochet, not finish. Make 2 half double crochet, not finish into the each of next chain stitch. 2, 3, 4, pull a little bit, 5, 6, 7, and make the 8th one into the same chain with seed bead. 9, through the next chain stitch, and 10 into the same chain stitch, 11, 12 into the same chain stitch, 'I need to do 2 more, 13 and 14. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, continue, make a chain, pull a little bit, then chain more. My petal is ready, but I just need to secure my petal to the flower. Make single crochet into the half double crochet of the previous row, then single crochet through the next stitch, and I can start the second petal. In total it should be 6 of them. I've done the first one. My beauty is ready. I'll start the second one, but you should continue working with your own. Draw seed beads. Make chain of 7 with seed beads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Turn the work like this. Make a chain more. Make half double crochet twice, not finish, into the each of next chain stitch, 2, and so on. Work with each chain stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. My flower is almost ready, but I just need to complete it. After I have done single crochet, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch, then make a chain. To complete this round, I leave a long piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center. You should work with sewing needle or crochet hook to remove all yarns along the stitches. Let's look at the front side. I just need to remove all yarns and to sew a bead to the center. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. It consists of only 2 rounds. Also, you can crochet only 3 petals and you will get amazing motif that can be decorated with bead. And for additional, I created a cord in the same style. For example, I've done exact flower but using another color of yarn. For such kind of project, you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And as I told you before, for additional I created cord in the same style. Here how it looks with flower. How to crochet such cord can be found in the description of this video tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. For example, you can create headband using this cord and decorate this headband with flower. See you in the next video tutorials. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit it. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my pattern. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.